So everyone has that one hobby that they enjoy to do in their everyday life. For me, that hobby is playing the drums. But once in a while, something needs to be fixed where the drum head's going to break or a piece of hardware is going to break. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change a drum head when that happens. I've been drumming since I was 3 years old. I've had a drum set for about 5 or 6 years. But I've only actually, I've been playing like on things around my house and stuff since I was about 3. And I've had to change lots of drum heads, whether it's at home, here at school for percussion class and all that stuff. So before I get started, I'm going to tell you a little bit of history on where the drum came from. So the first drums were made back in 5500 BC, and they were originally made out of alligator skins, and they were used for cultural gatherings and religious ceremonies. And there's lots of different kinds of drums. There's ones you hit with sticks, there's ones you hit with your hands, and there's a bunch of different sizes. Like there's this size here, there's big bass drums, there's even smaller than this. So there's lots of different varieties of them. So the things you're gonna need for this is, of course, the drum that needs a new drum head. The new drum head you're gonna put on the drum, the rim to hold it on, all the tension rods that you're gonna put in to hold it on and keep it tight, and then your drum key to tighten all the tension rods. So the first step, of course, is to take off the broken drum head, which I've already done. So then next you're gonna put the drum head on the drum and kind of put it wherever you want. Some people like it in a specific spot. I don't really care where it is for me. So next you're gonna take the rim and line it up with all the little things that the tension rods go into. And you're just gonna take all of these and put them in through the little holes on the rims. And get them lined up and ready to go for when you start tightening it. So now you're going to take it and kind of just do this technique, which is called the finger tightening technique, which all it is you take your fingers and you just tighten the lug as much as you can, like so. And you kind of just do that for all of them. And once in a while you kind of want to go on the opposite side to make sure they go in right without having to undo a bunch of them where they don't go in all the way. So you just do this. And put some pressure on it so then this one's not going in really well. I need to loosen this up, adjust it so that it does go in. So this technique is used all over because then you have an even amount of tension on all of them before you actually start tuning it all the way down. Go around and make sure that I got them all tight. Pretty sure I do. There we go. So now you're going to take your drum key, which is what you use to tighten it more down. So then I'm just going to start with this one, and I'm just going to say, let's do one full rotation. So one there, and then I'm going to do a star technique for this, which is you'd make the shape of a star instead of going in a circle around the drum. You make that star shape, because it just gets a better tightening on the drum head itself. So I do now. So one full rotation, if you lift it up and hit it, there's still not much tone. So now I'm going to take it again and I'm just going to do another half turn. Go up to there. And you mostly want to make sure there's no wrinkles in the drum head either as you're doing this. Otherwise it's going to sound really bad if you somehow hit that one spot. So I'm going to go up to here. So it sounds a lot better. And then now I'm going to kind of adjust. So this side right here is the bagger drum head. which is the head that you hit. Then this one's the reso drum head, the one that you don't want to hit. So now I'm just kind of adjust this to where I think would help it sound better. Turn this one down a little bit. Hit this head again. And you kind of want to go around and make sure they're all the same kind of. So this one's a lot lower, you can hear. I'm going to bring that one up a little bit more. Long warm tone with the drum. So that's how you change the drum head. It's very simple and very quick. So now after my speech, I hope you understand how to change a drum head, and I hope you have a great day.